press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for our latest tips and tricks for free. Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video we will see how to back up and restore SMS in your Android device. Now for this one, what we are going to do is we are going to use an app called SMS Backup and Restore. So let us see how to do it. Now at first what you need to do is you need to go to Google Play Store. Then from here you need to search an application called SMS Backup and Restore. And after that you need to install this application. So once you have installed this application, open the app. Now select Get Started. Now you need to allow SMS Backup and Restore to access your contact. You need to allow SMS Backup and Restore to access your photos, media and files. And then you need to allow this application to send and view SMS messages. Now you can also allow this SMS Backup and Restore to make and manage phone calls. Now once you have done this one, you can see how many messages you have, 278 in my case, and how many calls I have, 500. So if I want to set up backup, then what I will do, I will select set up a backup, and you can either backup only messages, only phone calls, or you can backup both of these ones. So I will select both of these ones and I will select next. Then here you want to select where you want to backup the SMS and the phone call. Maybe you want to backup in Google Drive, Dropbox, and it's not recommended to backup in your phone. So I will select Google Drive. And from here what you need to do is you need to log into your Google Drive. Right now I am not logged in, so I will just select login. Then these are my Google Drive accounts, so I can select any one of those one and then OK here. So once I have logged into my Google Drive account, then what I can do is you can also have select an option delete backup older than. You can select from here how many days, up to how many days you want to keep the backups. If the backups are more than suppose 30 days, then you can delete those backup, or you can select do not delete if you don't want to delete the backup, and then select save. And again you have to select next. Now from here what you can do is you can select backup to only upload when you are over Wi-Fi. Select next. Now from here you can schedule the backup. How frequently do you want to backup the SMS and the phone calls, daily, weekly, or hourly? I will select like weekly, and then I will select backup now. You can see the backup is started and it is uploaded to Google Drive. I have 278 SMS and 500 call list which I have backed up into my Google Drive. So this is how you can back up the SMS to the Google Drive. Now if you want to restore this SMS, what you will do is you will go to this option here and you will go to restore, and from here you can select where you have backed up the SMS before. I have backed up the SMS in Google Drive, so I'll select Google Drive, and this is the backup file. So if I want to restore this one, what I will do is I will select this one, or if you have any other backup list, you can go to select another backup, and this is the most recent backup. After that what you will do is you will select restore, select OK. Now you can see the calls are being restored. So the restore is completed. 500 calls were restored and 278 messages were restored. So select close after that. OK, you can select OK. So this is how you can either backup the SMS or restore. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.